Do you want to know how you can download your Zedge data? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily download your Zedge data from your Chrome or Edge browser. First of all, open Chrome or Edge browser and then open Zedge. Now go to your profile, go to account settings and click on privacy and data. Now if you click on download data, your data will be downloaded and you will get a copy of it in your email within 72 hours. Let me show it to you again how you can download your Zedge data. Go to your profile, go to account settings and click on privacy and data. Click on download data and your data will be downloaded within 72 hours and a copy will be sent to your email address from which you have opened your Zedge account. So this is how you download your Zedge data. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.